Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish lessons. My name is Yasin. Today I would like to talk about how to make adjectives into noun parts. There are some suffixes that you can use to make adjectives nouns. So, for example, in English, which I know, there's nes, ity, and ans. These are the suffixes that to make nouns of adjectives. Okay, for example, on the left, as you see adjectives, and on the right, the formation of nouns that come from adjectives. For example, stupid, this is the adjective part. Stupid, stupidity. Mad, madness. Crazy, craziness. Clear, clear. Oh, well, there is Clarence. This is kind of different. Good, goodness, and bad, badness. These are the few examples which I know to make nouns from adjectives. So in Turkish also we have this, which I know here is there's one suffix that we use. Example, look, or you can say lick or look or look. Depends on the vowels that come at the end of the adjective words. So as you see here on the left, sifat, which is adjective. These are adjectives. And here in the middle, as you see, nouns of adjectives. And here, this is nouns in English forms. All right, now let's start now. I will say adjective and noun together. Let's start. Deli, delilik. Canlı, canlılık. Açık, açıklık. Kapalı, kapalılık. Or you can say yakınlık. There are two meanings, it's up to you. Kapalılık means to be closed. The situation of being closed to something, not as a relationship. Ucuz, ucuzluk. Pahalı, pahalılık. Let me repeat one more time for you. If you want to repeat with me as well. Deli, delilik. Canlı, canlılık. Açık, açıklık. Kapalı, kapalılık. Yakınlık. Ucuz, ucuzluk. Pahalı, pahalılık. As you see here, at the end of adjectives, we used look or lick or look or look. Depends on the vowel we use here. For example, if it finishes with I letter here, then you should use all the time lick. If it finishes with L, I think you should use look all the time. As you see here, which is, as you see here, same L, So, as you see here, look. Look. Example, you see the similarities? So here, like this. And look. Example. Let's see a few more examples here before I continue. Here, ucuz look pazarı. There are two words that we combine together here. Pazar means market or bazaar. Bazaar. I mean, not strange bazaar. It's like this, I mean. So, ucuzluk pazarı. Ucuzluk pazarı. I don't know if there's a phrase or word combination like this in English. Cheapness bazaar. Kapalılık iyi değil. When I say here to be introvert, not extrovert, this is the adjective part. This is what I mean here, actually. Being closeness is not good. Netlik kazandı. Netlik kazandı. Netlik means clarity, actually, here. It got clearness, or it became clear. That means you have no doubts anymore about something that you had before. Okay, so this is what it means. If something becomes like this, as you say in Turkish, netlik kazandı, that means now we know what the result is. Okay. Hayat pahalılığı. Hayat pahalılığı. Hayat pahalılığı. Expensiveness of life, or I don't know how to translate this into English. Çılgınlık yapma. Çılgınlık yapma. Don't do any craziness, or don't attempt to do something crazy. Okay, this is what it means. Çılgınlık yapma. Çılgınlık yapma. Let's repeat one more time. Ucuzluk pazarı. Kapalılık iyi değil. Netlik kazandı. Hayat pahalılığı. Çılgınlık yapma. Now, this is the end of my lesson about this topic, and I hope it became helpful for you all. And if you have any questions about this lesson, please do not hesitate to write to me at this email account here, activeferent@hotmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe and like the lesson. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.